We got the theory board. We got machine out. Today we are in minor B flat. We gonna cook up, bro. We ain't gonna waste no time. You know I love the pianos. 5 minutes in. We're gonna try to get this in 15 minutes, y'all. Yeah. Y'all see how easy this TheoryBoard making it for me, bad. 'Cause I just gave y'all a 5 to 10 minute cook up with the TheoryBoard, bro. Y'all seen what we did. We was in minor B flat scale. We was able to get a lot of different elements of the song out easy. Like I said, man, you got your chords on the left, you got your melodies on the right. Different variations of the chords. And I don't know if y'all understand how crazy this is. You know what I'm saying? So y'all tap in with them. I am at LK Jimmy. Y'all be blessed. Peace. Love y'all. Thank you for joining me at the Lowkey Jimmy channel. Make sure y'all tap in on IG at LK Jimmy. This is the amazing piece of gear that you always see me with, man. Left side, you got the chords. Boom. Melodies on the right. So watch this. But I also got this. Y'all see what I'm saying? Uh-huh. Oh my goodness. Oh, that was inverted. That one was inverted that time. So if I come right here. Y'all gonna see how crazy it is. I'm gonna play no melody on top first. Uh-huh. Yeah, that's gonna be the verse right there. I like that. No melody. I don't need no melody. y'all see what we just did. First of all, I don't know if I've ever heard that drum pattern used before, ever. Look, man, TheoryBoard made it super easy for us today. We had the chords on the left, man, shot it up for the free throw. We knocked it down with the melodies on the right, and then we did it in the machine, man. Y'all see what we doing over here. Tap in with me, LK Jimmy on IG. Man, I'm with the TheoryBoard machine. We actually chopping some samples up. Okay, let's get it.
Just found out you don't want me.
That's a good chop right there. Let's try to get one more chop.
So I can get some sleep. So I can get some sleep and find someone who cares. I need
your If that is truly a D minor, right? I should be able to come to the TheoryBoard, boom, hit D minor. Oh. I don't know too many feelings. There's only like 2 feelings in the world that's greater than finding the correct note or the correct like key or chord in a song. I can only name 2, and this is a G-rated channel, so. This is in D minor. We should be able to just, you know what I'm saying, slide to the TheoryBoard. I kind of like it a lot. I'm not gonna lie. What's crazy is that sounds so dark, but when you bring in the come on, man, I'm not even gonna waste no more of y'all time. That's 40 minutes. Peace, love y'all. Hit me on the gram. JB, I don't think you follow me, bro. At LK Jimmy.